Almost the whole night, I couldn't sleep because of the pain. A pain I can't even explain. My body hurts, my stomach hurts, and I don't even know where it's really coming from. I keep turning from side to side, hoping it will ease, but it just stays. When I finally open my eyes in the morning, the pain is still there, heavy, constant, and exhausting. Sometimes I just cry quietly. I tell God, Lord, please help me. I don't know how long I can take this. The pain drains my body, my energy, even my emotions. There are moments I feel so weak and tired, not only physically, but deep inside my heart. But even through the pain, I still pray and believe that God is with me. I know He sees my tears, and I know He will give me the strength to endure this one day at a time.